In today's video, we are going to cover how to find last year's tax return on TurboTax. Begin by signing in to your TurboTax account with your usual login details. Make sure you are using the same account you used to file the return you want to access, since tax documents are tied to that specific account. After you sign in, give the page a moment to finish loading if needed. Once you are in your account, look to the left-hand menu and click Documents. This area is where TurboTax stores files connected to your returns and other account records. When the Documents page opens, check for the Tax Returns and Documents tab. If that tab is not already selected, click it to open the section that lists your available returns. You should now see a list of tax years connected to your account. Take a moment to locate the year you want to open. If you are looking for last year's return, select the matching tax year from the list, such as 2024. Be careful to choose the correct year before opening anything, especially if several returns appear in your account. After selecting the tax year, look for the available option to access the return. Depending on what TurboTax shows for that year, click either Download or Print Return as a PDF, or choose View Return. If you select the PDF option, the return will open as a downloadable file that you can keep on your computer. If you select View Return first, you may still see a print or download option once the file opens. When the return appears, save the PDF to your computer if you want a digital copy for your records. Choose a location on your device where you can find it again later, such as your Downloads folder or another folder you use for financial documents. If you need a paper copy instead, use the print option and print the return from the PDF viewer or browser window. If you do not see last year's return in the list, the most important thing is to confirm that you are signed in to the correct TurboTax account. Many missing file issues come from using a different login than the one used during filing. Check the account you are in, then return to the Documents section and review the listed tax years again. If the year still is not visible, it means the return is not showing in that account's tax returns and documents area. At that point, do not continue searching through unrelated sections of the account. Stay focused on the Documents area and the Tax Returns and Documents tab, since that is where the return would appear if it is available under that login. Your TurboTax tax return is now opened, downloaded as a PDF, or printed for your records.